Using EBT without a card is possible through various alternative methods. The electronic benefits transfer system allows recipients to access their benefits in several ways. First, understand what EBT is. EBT is an electronic system that enables recipients to use their benefits to purchase eligible food and other items. The benefits are typically loaded onto a card, but there are alternative methods for those who do not have a card. To use EBT without a card, you can use the mobile app provided by your state's EBT program. Many states offer mobile apps that allow recipients to access their benefits, view their balance, and make purchases using their smartphone. Another option is to use a payment processor that accepts EBT payments without a card. Some retailers and online marketplaces allow customers to enter their EBT information directly at checkout, eliminating the need for a physical card. You can also use a digital wallet service that supports EBT payments. Some digital wallet services, such as those offered by banks or financial institutions, allow users to link their EBT account and make payments using their smartphone. When using EBT without a card, it is essential to ensure that the retailer or online marketplace accepts EBT payments. You can do this by checking the retailer's website or contacting their customer service department. To make a purchase using EBT without a card, simply follow the prompts provided by the retailer or mobile app. You will typically need to enter your EBT information, including your account number and PIN, to complete the transaction. Best practices for using EBT without a card include keeping your account information secure, monitoring your balance regularly, and only making purchases at authorized retailers. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your EBT benefits without a card.